What's up guys, welcome to East West Beats. Today I'm going to show you something super quick. It's going to be a quick tutorial and I want to show you how to lay your kick and your 808s. So here I have an 808 and a kick coming in at the same time. Let's just play it. I'm just going to turn down the master a little bit right here. All right, let's play it. All right, so in order to get a better mix, what you're going to do is you're going to make your kick come in really quickly, hold it for as long as you need it, and then actually make everything else super small. So let's just listen to the kick now. All right, so the punch is there. Now what we're going to do is go to the 808, and then we're also going to make the attack come in super quick. However, what we're going to do is we're going to take the hold of it. We're going to reduce it just a little bit. All right, so the punch of the kick is there. You're going to copy the value. You're going to go into 808 and you're going to put it in the delay. So what's going to happen is your kick is going to play, and immediately following the kick, you're going to have your 808 coming in. So let's listen to it now. Let's just bring this back to C. Right? And then paste the value. Now you won't hear an audible difference, but when you mix it, trust me guys, this is really going to help. And, you know, I won't be lying. I got this tip from a super producer called Aaron E. And it's been, very helpful in using, just attack and delays into your mixes and making the mixing process easier. If you want to hear about something else in Logic, FL Studio, leave a comment below. I do Ableton as well. So if you guys want to learn anything, leave a comment below and I will talk to you soon.